My name is Jonathan Machin and I'm very happy to introduce to you our latest solution, Osiris as a software. Osiris as a software is a solution that allows you to troubleshoot industrial Ethernet networks such as PROFINET, Ethernet IP and EtherCAT, in addition to troubleshooting PROFIBUS networks. It also has additional features such as the security license and the commissioning wizard, which means that this solution can not only be used for troubleshooting, it can also be used for network management. So, what features do you get on Osiris as a software? On the industrial Ethernet side, you have active monitoring, which is the traffic light alarm, the device list, and the topology. You can also get passive monitoring data by connecting the EtherTap and allowing Osiris as a software to listen to all the communication between the PLC and the first switch in the network, allowing you to get protocol-specific alarms. Why is Osiris as a software so unique and so special? It's a single piece of software that allows you to troubleshoot multiple different protocols. It allows you to have active and passive monitoring data from your industrial Ethernet networks, in addition to allowing you to connect the Proficore so you can do Profibus troubleshooting also. If you would like to know more about the Osiris as a software and the features, please go to our YouTube channel so you can see all the functionality that it has. If you want to talk to me or talk to one of my team more about Osiris as a software, you can reach out to us at info@procentec.com and we would be more than happy to go through all the features and what benefits Osiris as a software gives to you. Thank you and see you next time.